Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Motorola Moto G13 to an Android device. First of all, go into Play Store on both. Then click on the search bars and type in Send Anywhere. Now you need to get this free app from this developer, and when it's ready, open it. In order to use it, do exactly the same on both devices. Click on I accept, then confirm, continue, and allow. Now on the other one, I accept, confirm, continue, allow. In this window about newsletters and updates, you can click on Not Now if you want to, and then close it by selecting OK. Now tap on Send at the bottom left corner of your Motorola if it's not already on, and Receive at the bottom next to Send on an Android. Also on an Android, tap on Yes I agree or No thanks to set up the best option for your ads. Then click on Close this window. Go back to Motorola and tap on all of those type of dots from all of those categories. Then tap on Send next to Selected. This way you will choose all of those files and transfer them later on. You can also just click on some of your files. I will go with that one. And click on Send as well. Finally, click on Got It in the pop-up and pick the best connection way for you. If you want to connect using QR code, you need to tap on this scanning icon next to Input key on an Android. Then choose while using the app or only this time to allow camera access. And lastly, point your device's camera at the code. If you want to enter 6-digit key instead, you need to go back, tap on Input key section under Enter the key, type in all of those numbers, and hit Receive button. Now in the matter of seconds, as you can see, my photo was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!